Hi, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. And we're here at Wilderness Lodge to have lunch and to look at some Christmas decorations. So I've checked in for my lunch reservation online. I'll never get used to that. And here we are in the lobby, and I'll just take you on a little tour and we can see some of the Christmas decorations that they have up. And you can see over my shoulder, there's the tree. I love how all of the hotels in Walt Disney World have a decorated tree, but each one is decorated specifically for that hotel with very interesting ornaments on the tree that represent the theming of that hotel. Oh my gosh, it looks like a moose antler. Teepees, arrows, a representation of a Native American drum. Looks like a fishing creel. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So I guess not only Gaston decorates with antlers. Squirrel. Canoe. This is a giant Christmas ball. So there's my hand. Look at the size of it. Garlands on the balcony walkways. There's just a little tree under the first level. More garlands. I love the giant poinsettia on here. And a super big arrow. There's the fireplace with a wreath on it. We're headed in the gift shop. So I asked some of the cast behind the counter how tall the tree was. Nobody knows exactly, but they said that it's 11 feet for each floor, and this tree goes almost all the way to the top. And we're on the second floor, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors, almost 7. So they were thinking that it's somewhere in the area of 70 feet. That's 70 feet. That is a pretty big tree. They also said that it is one of the tallest trees in all of the resorts here on Walt Disney World property. Well, this is the wreath on the fireplace. And I sure hope that my reservation is ready soon, because I am getting a rumbly in my tumbly in a big way. So here I am at Whispering Canyon Cafe in the Wilderness Lodge, and I can't show you the menu because it's a QR code that you take a picture with on your camera, and that way you can see it without touching it and spreading COVID, which I guess is a good idea. But the problem is I can't show you what the menu looks like, but I am getting the all-you-can-eat skillet, so I'll be happy to share a picture of that with you when I get it. So to start, we get cornbread and honey butter. But since I specifically asked the server to not bring any additional things with sugar, like barbecue sauce, She did bring the honey on the butter and plain butter, so that was super awesome of her. She gets an A and an extra tip. So here's my skillet. It looks delicious. I've got a rib, pulled pork, mashed taters, chicken, corn, string beans, and carrots, and it looks delish. Now normally when you order the skillet, they bring a skillet for as many people at your table as there are. And everybody gets a plate. But due to the fact that it's just me, I get to eat right out of the skillet. Why dirty a plate?